In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a web dashboard that pulls data from your Chargebee account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free web app StyleBI. So to start off with, I logged into StyleBI, going to click Connect Data Source, select Chargebee, click Create. Now first I enter my subdomain. And once I do this, the URL section automatically updates with my subdomain. So the URL section now shows the URL that I would put into a browser to view and interact with my Chargebee account. Next, I'm going to enter my API key. To create an API key, log into your Chargebee account. On the left side menu, scroll down, click Settings, click Configure Chargebee, scroll down, select API key, click Add API key, select your access level, and then add a name for your API key. So now I'm going to enter my Chargebee API key into this section here. Going to scroll down, going to click OK. Next step is create query. Select Chargebee query. And for this dashboard, I'm going to use the customers endpoint. Going to uncheck expand arrays, scroll down, click OK. Save my data worksheet, click OK. Click create dashboard. And I'm not going to use the visualization recommender for this video, so I'm going to click finish, click continue, going to save my blank dashboard, click OK. Now I'm going to click edit on my blank dashboard. And now I have Visual Composer open so I can add whatever dashboard elements I want using the customers endpoint of my Chargebee account. So I think I'm going to create a map chart of customers in the United States. So I'm going to drag out a chart, going to resize it, click edit, click full editor, going to click on the chart menu and select map, click the checkbox. And in a map chart, I need to set a certain field as a geographic. So I'm going to search for the state field, going to set the billing address state field as a geographic, going to select USA from my map, layer state using built-in mapping, click OK. Next, I'm going to drag state into geographic. Okay. Next, I'm going to find the customer ID, and I'm going to set it as a measure. And then I'm going to drag that measure into the color field, which defaults as a count of customer ID. So now when I click finish and I preview, I now have a map chart that uses color to display how many customers I have in each state, and I can mouse over to see the total number of customers. And I think I'm going to add some filters for interactivity. So I'm going to choose some fields like, does the customer allow auto correction? Drag that out. Does the customer allow direct debit? Drag that out. So now I have some filters with which I can filter the map. I also want to see the records for the individual customers. So I'm going to create a table next to the map. So I'm going to drag out a table here, going to resize it a little bit. Click edit. Okay. And I want the name of my customer and the company. So I'm going to search name, going to drag out the first name, the last name. I'm going to drag out the company name, click finish. So now I have a table showing the first name, last name, the customer, and the company name. But I want to make the map chart a filter for the table. So I'm going to select the map chart. I'm going to right click, select properties, and I'm going to select the table as a flyover. So now if I preview my dashboard, I can select a state on the map or just hover over, and the table will update with the names and the companies of just the customers from that state. And I can also drill down even further with the checklist I have here. So I can select California, for example, and I can also select off for list customer auto collection and false for allowed debit. And now I have the customers from just California that fit these parameters. And that's how you create a dashboard that pulls data from your Chargebee account using the free web app StyleBI.